Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to switch interior design drawing templates. Let's try it together. After entering the Design tool, click the Drawings, Construction Drawings in the left sidebar. Enter the Construction Drawing tool, then click Settings in the upper right corner and select Switch Construction Drawing Template. In the pop-up panel, click Interior Design Drawing Template, then click Switch Template. After switching to a new template, you can see we have a new color palette of black, white/grey and red. This creates distinct visual layers, improves reading efficiency. When you click the furniture plan, you can see that floor textures have been added to the floor plans, making the drawings more comprehensive. When you click on the elevation in the drawing's layout, you will find that elevations for the same room are now arranged on a single sheet. It will make them easier to read. Here's something to keep in mind. Only newly generated elevation drawings will have the elevations for the same room organized onto a single sheet. That's all. Thanks for watching.